Okay, so we want to do number 50, which says, show that the parameterized equations, x is 3 plus t, y is 2t, z is 1 minus t, satisfy the two equations, x plus y plus 3z is 6, and x minus y minus z is 2. And what does that tell you about the parameterized equations? Okay, so I'm hoping that the first bit is probably not hard, right?
No,
it's not gonna be hard.
Substitution.
Yeah. So I want to take these bits. I shouldn't draw this with the blue marker because it's nice on the board. I want to take these bits and put them in for their kind of respective pieces, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's do that quick, just to warm up. So what's x again?
3 plus t
Okay, so I'm looking for 3 plus t
plus 2t
plus 2t plus
3
minus
3 times 1 minus t.
equals 6.
And I'm wondering, is this 6?
3. Yep.
And then the other one would have to do the same thing.
Okay, so if we combine like terms, we get 6.
Yep.
Okay, the other one we do a similar thing, so we get 3 plus t
Minus, in parentheses, 2t.
minus
Or, sorry. Yeah.
2t
Minus
Minus.
minus 1 minus t.
Yep.
And I'm wondering, is that
2.
2? And is it?
Yeah. No. Wait.
1. Yeah. it should.
I hope it is.
Yeah.
So the t, and minus 2t cancel. 3 minus 1
3
is...
plus t. I thought that was 3t plus. Okay, yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Then yes.
Barring arithmetic errors.
Yeah.
Check.
Okay, then what? So that was the which part?
That's the first part.
That was the these are satisfied.
Yeah.
Okay.
The
Then
second, what does it tell you about the curve parameterized by these
Yeah.
equations?
What did you learn? Okay.
I'm not sure.
How about this? What's this thing? And what's this thing?
They're planes.
Points?
Good, they're planes, right?
Or, oh, yeah.
This is a plane. This is a plane.
But that they're
Same-
equal each other
same
means that they're
phase.
parallel, right?
So I don't know. I mean, we could read it off here, right? Are these planes parallel or not? How do I figure that out?
Well, we satisfied the thing, the
They're the same
param-
slope.
Yeah, so I'm asking, these have the same slope.
No, they don't.
How do you know?
The coefficient values are all different.
Yeah, look at the coefficient values, right? That's reading off the normal vector. So the normal vector for the top one is 1, 1, 3.
Yeah.
The normal vector for the bottom one is
1, negative 1, negative 1.
1, negative 1, negative 1. So these aren't parallel planes. And what the heck is this thing?
Just parameters. Parametric equation.
So that business, right, is some L of t thing, right? I'm
Yeah.
calling it L because I'm being suggestive. But what are the x, y, and z coordinates in L?
3 plus t, 2t, and 1 minus t.
3 plus t, 2t, and 1 minus t. Which I could rephrase as what?
X, y, ijk.
I could rephrase in terms of ijk, or I could rephrase as
Oh,
Would be
x, y, z plus.
3, 0, 1,
Oh, yeah.
1, 2,
okay, see that?
Oh, okay.
I can rephrase it as the constant pieces that you're adding, right? 3, 0, 1. So that's where you're starting.
Yeah.
Plus the slope. Well, the slope's 1, 2, negative 1. So this thing's a
A parametric.
parametric equation, specifically a
It's a line.
yeah, this is a line.
Okay.
This is a line, and it satisfies the equation of these two planes.
An intersect.
Yeah,
The line where they intersect then?
that's a line. and if it satisfies the equation, it's in this, right? It's a line, and it's in both planes, so what must it be?
Line of intersection.
Yeah, it has to be the line of intersection. You guys see that? I know that there is a line of intersection because they're not parallel, right? And I know that this is it because it's a line and it's in both of them. So, moral of the story? Like, how do you phrase this to another human being? What did you learn? What do you know about that thing?
The points at which it intersects, the planes intersect each other.
It's the line of intersection. Cool? That helps stuff. You were stuck at this last bit, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Of course, duh.
Well, because you weren't stuck here, right? Because this is arithmetic.
Yeah.
So, when you're living in this place, my advice, write down the categories of everything you're talking about. Like, just write down, what does this thing mean to me? What does this thing mean to me? What does this thing mean? And then once I've got those three pieces, I have sort of, okay, if I just throw a plane and a plane and then there's a line somewhere, what's the interesting line out of two planes? Well, probably the one I'm